Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. Now we'll move to the further. So previous class, we already started with, come on, arithmetic operations. How many arithmetic operations are there? So that is a matrix operations, arithmetic operations or matrix operations. Arithmetic operations in NumPy, also called as what? Matrix operations. Matrix operations. So there I said some come in, ma. So what is the first one? Come on, add off. We can also do with what? Plus. Second one, subtract. Subtract off. Come in. Minus. Minus. Come in. Come in. Next, third one, multiply. Multiply. Or what? Star. Next, dot. 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 Dot off. That's all. Oh, fifth one is what? Mat mul. Mat mul. Next, sixth one, divide. Divide off. What is this divide off also? Slash. Seventh one, floor underscore divide. Floor underscore divide off. What is this next? Double slash. Eighth one, mod. Mod. What is an operator? Percentage. Percentage. Ninth one is what? Power off. Power off. What is that operator called? Star star. Star star operator is called exponentiation operator. Exponentiation operator. This I was already explained in our regular sessions of Python. In our regular sessions of Python, operators if I go, operators and expressions if I go, in the arithmetic operators, it was explained. In the arithmetic operators, it was explained. All this arithmetic operators meaning, how it is performing, what is the difference between floor division and a single slash, double slash, etc., special point, so many things. This was already explained in the class. What is the meaning of single slash? See, floor division, integer coefficient. Division, what is this now? Float coefficient. Very, very simple. So, come to the point back here. I'll move to the further. So, I hope last class, dot and matmul completed. Completed? Completed. Now, I'm going to enter into the further. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Come in. So, here, go to the place. Student, last. Listen the class. So yesterday, today I observed one thing. One student is writing, very neatly writing. I observed, maybe he's watching mobile, but he's very good student. I really felt that my students are very good. Actually, I felt that he is watching the mobile, but he's doing good. And other student is simply sitting like a Hussain Sagar statue, like other adjacent student. Don't do that. So try to do something more, students. So yesterday's class, so I did some matrix multiplication, students. So here I will take some operation, I think. No. So there is one thing, yesterday's class. What is that function name? Did I give any operation there, students? NumPy operations yesterday, matrix operations and zeros, ND operations, matrix operation. This is what I was about to complete. Okay. Ajay Kumar. Yeah. Good students. I really say that good students. All are good, but answering is a little problem. All are good. My students, no doubt in that, good only. But when I ask a question now, sometimes problems will come. That generally there, but come out of that. Now see students, this was already done. Okay, students, now good. Good is okay. That's really appreciable. But answering is also more important. This is last class. I hope you remembered. I opened my last class concept. This is a matrix I created, and matrix addition is done because I'm using a function called what? Add. And later I used what operator? Plus operator. Instead of add function, plus operator is used, and the same output is coming. Element wise addition and subtract also done. Element wise subtraction also done. And we used minus operator instead of subtract function. Also got the same answer. And multiply function, I got it. Element wise multiplication. That is 10 into 1, 10, 20 into 2, 40, 30 into 3, 90, 40 into 4, 160. This is element wise multiplication. And we also used what? Star for multiply. That also will do the same thing. And actual matrix multiplication also did. Here matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. And also did, my dear students, A matrix, B matrix, matrix multiplication concept also explained. This is called what? 2 by 2. Okay. Now next up, this is called what? Matmul also will have the same meaning. Same meaning also will be there. Same meaning. If I go for you're writing your own logic for matrix multiplication, already matrix addition I said some number of lines, beginning class. If I write matrix multiplication code, it will exceed still 5 more lines will be added extra. That will take very critical for you to write the logic. Instead of worrying about that complex logics, we'll simply use what? Matmul, or simply use what? Dot. So also got the same answer. This is what I was explained up to the last session. Shall I continue now? Let us carry this. Now I'm going to carry the same thing. Here I'm going to use function name called what? Divide. Online students, please confirm it. So 462, almost 100 students are absent. Where these 100 students are there? Underground. Here also almost 100 students are absent. This is a phobia in Amirpet or in teaching divisions. When Saturday comes, I don't know where they will go. That's why I put a name. Last 5 years onwards, I'm using the same name. Underground action plans are more on Saturdays. So let it be, students. What we can do, we cannot stop them. What is the function next? Come on. Divide. Element wise division, students. Element wise division. Element wise division. So I'm going to write it. Element wise division. So what is the element wise division? Come on, guys. 10 by 1. 10 by 1. What is the answer? 10.0. 20 by what? 2. 10.0. 30 by 3. Same. 10.0. 40 by 4. 10.0. Because I am using single slash. This is called what? Single slash is called a divide. Double slash is called floor divide. Already you know the meaning of single slash in our arithmetic operators only. So this will give you, see the answer now. You are going to get it. So NP, yeah, NP, I will say, don't think that already it was done. It was executed a day ago. So as what here? NP. So you try to run, students, you will be getting it. So try to run it. So I'm getting what? Matrix A, matrix B, and then matrix C. 10 point coming or not? Yes, this is called which operation? Divide operation. Now I'm going to take up the same thing. Here. I will go for what now, students? So go to the single slash also. I will use, instead of writing this part, I'll simply say what? Slash B. This is called element wise division by using what operator? Slash operator instead of, instead of divide function. Same thing, I am using it. Same to same, you'll get the same answer. So also execute, guys. You are getting the same answer like this. So with a simple arithmetic operations, I can do all sorts of mathematical operations. Go to the next part. This example I say I want to take it again. I want to take it again. Which one I will take it? Floor division I will take it. What is the difference between divide and floor division? Divide will give you float coefficient. Floor divide will give you integer coefficient. That is a simple difference. Floor underscore divide. Element wise division with what? Integer coefficient. Integer coefficient it will be given. Integer coefficient it will be given. So integer coefficient it is going to give you. Try to run this now, students. What is going to be? 10, 10, 10. Earlier it was taking what? 10 point, 10 point, 10 point, nothing but 10.0 like that. Are you able to follow? Similarly, I will carry the same thing. I will carry the same thing. I will apply which operation? Come on. Double slash I will apply. Double slash I will apply. C is equal to A double slash B. Same double slash also. Here I will use it. Element wise division I am using. Use floor division. Use floor division. Here I will carry. Here I will write it. Use element wise floor division. Floor division by using which operator? Double slash instead of using floor underscore divide. So same thing I used it. So run this, same example is going to come. So I'm applying on where 2 by 2 matrix. You can apply on where also 3 by 3 also, 4 by 4 also. It should be same order must be there. Same order must be there. Are you able to follow, students? Now, similarly, we go for another type of thing. We go for another type of thing. What next? Modulus operation I want to carry out. Modulus operation. So go to the place. Here I am using mod. np.mod. Mod means what? Remind us. Element wise modulo division. Modulo division. So let us. What is this element wise modulo division? 10 percentage what? 1. Which is nothing but 1/10. 10. That is called what? 0. Same. 20 with 2, 0. 30 with 3, 0. 40 with 4, 0. So I will be getting what? 0, 0, 0, 0 will be coming. Are you able to follow? Let us see this now. Element wise modulo division is going to come, which is also what? ND array. ND array. The function name called what? Mod. So there I will go for next. There I will go for operator I am using. So say this. A percentage of B. Element wise modulo division by using percent operator instead of what? Mod function, percentage operation, same to same. And here output is going to be same. Either you can click on this run or you can say shift enter. Shift enter is called what? Executing the value of this cell. Are you able to follow? Next, last part of it, I am using it. What is the last part? Power off operator. So I am going to use it. Power off. Element wise exponentiation. Exponentiation or nothing but what? Power value. Power value I want to calculate. What is the power value? 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1, 10. 20 to the power of 2. Come on. 400. 30 to the power of 3. Huh? 900. Girls are saying 900. So 30 to the power of 3. 30 into 30 into 30. Maybe Saturday effect is more, I think so. 3 3s, 27. How many zeros? So this is the data. 9. Something girls means everybody. All, maybe 100 girls are there. All of them. If one girl says wrong, total girls is one team. Boys, 9. What? Okay, now I will ask boys now. 40 to the power of 4. Huh? 60. Good. 64. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 3. So this is the answer, we will get it. 40 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 4, 16, 4 zeros. Simple logic. Simple logic, my dear students. Outside you are very intelligent, but inside the class, and 4 also danger. Online students, offline boys also same as girls only. 40 to the power of 4, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 16 and 16. 16 6 are 256. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Myself also committed a mistake because I believe boys. I believe in boys. When I believe boys, what will happen? That will happen. Are you following? 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 4 is called what? 4 into 4 into 4. 16. Myself committed a mistake along with you. Girls are thinking all are same. Come to the point back. Following or not? Yes. Similarly, you can apply the same operation by using like this. So go to the point back. Here I am writing, what should I apply, students? A star double star B. A double star B. Double star operator is called element wise exponentiation or power value by using what? Double star operator. Double star operator instead of what? Come on, ma, power function. Instead of power function. Important, guys. So there I will take up same to take it. Are you able to follow? So what to handle division by 0? Venkat Ambati is asking. Venkat Ambati, are you my student of class? My Python class? What to handle division by 0? Venkat Ambati. No. So all of you answer my question. All the online students. When division by 0 coming, how to handle it? Exception handling, I already used to discuss in the classroom. What is the class name? Zero division error. Zero division error. Zero division is also wrong. Zero division space error also wrong. Zero Z capital, division D capital. Yes, in my class, you see, Venkat Ambati, my dear student. Look at, in my 9 a.m., there is a beautiful exception handling. Nobody will explain like what is explained. You see, syntax for what? Handling exception. Handling exception. See the beautiful syntax. Syntax for handling the exception. Try, accept, try, accept, try, accept. See the beautiful syntax. And the next explanation for those. Explanation for those keywords. Explanation for those keywords. What is try block? What is accept block? What is else block? What is finally block? Rise also explain. Even in my class, you see, I used to take up in my class div2.py, my dear student, Ambati, see that. Try, enter a first value, second value. Now I am going to carry the same example. I am going to take the same example here for purpose of Ambati. So you say here, enter the first value 10, enter the second value 0. What is coming? Don't enter 0 for a denominator. I am handling by using what concept? Zero division error. My dear student. So Ambati, are you able to get Venkat? Are you able to understand, my dear student? Right. Yes. Same exceptions. Same exceptions will be coming. Same exceptions will be coming. Are you following this? Same exceptions. So try to carry this same thing. I will go for it. I'll go for it. In this case, now I'm taking matrix. What is the matrix I'm taking? Carry on. Carry on the same thing. Carry on the same thing. My dear student, I will show you that also. Don't worry. Your doubts always, I'll take it more perfectly. So here I took it my array. I took it my array. Now I'm doing what? C is equal to what? A by B. A by B. In this place, here I will write. In else spot, I will write this matrix. Which one I will write? Matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. I will write in my place. In this place, I will write it. Same Python coding. If you learn Python well, it is going to be today dead easy. Here like that. Suppose if this is the case, where I paste it, below I have to paste it, not there. My dear students, not there. Here I need to paste it. Here I wrote it. Here I will go for indentation, I will maintain. Indentation. Students. Matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, division by 0. You try to run it. You try to run it. So, in this case, see the answer now. Indentation doesn't match with. So, where is it? Here, because I copied and pasted now. So, try to run this. Go to this place. Matrix A. Okay. No issue. No issue. I'll take it. Try to. Now see students, what is the answer now? Answer came or not? This is coming to which block? Else block. No more exceptions are there. Perfect input. Else block is executed. You know, exception. Try except how it will execute already you know. And I said. Now, students, go to this example. Same example. This is a output is coming perfectly. This is an output is coming. Here you write it. Some place I am writing what? 0 you write it. 0 I am writing. 0 means what? 20 by 0. That time, see what is happening. What is happening? Here, we are getting INF. What does that INF says? What does that INF says? Infinity. Infinity. How to eliminate infinity? I'm going to tell you that. That is nothing but NP dot NAN. It is going to be giving the type of values. How to eliminate that NAN values, I am going to explain in the class. That is by next chapter. Even though it is not there in our index, I am going to teach more than our index also. So finally, it is going to be coming here. Divide by 0. What is this? Occurring. And this is occurred. It is not an exception is giving. Jupyter notebook is not giving an exception here. So here running, it is a runtime warning only it is giving. Jupyter notebook is trying to give you what? INF. Stays what? Infinity. Like a mathematics version it is saying. Are you following? When you come to normal programming, it is giving you what? 0 division error. So I think, my dear student, you are understanding the meaning of what? INF. INF stands for what? Infinity. In the place of infinity, you can write your own message also. I will take care of it. Are you able to follow? So I will just take it, print of C, just a print of C. This is a data. Come on, how do I access this INF? Come on. C of what? C of 0, 1. INF is going to come. What I am doing is C, 1 is equal to division by, that is nothing but I will write here, don't enter, can't divide. I can write what? Can't divide. Can't divide. Like in our mobile, if you enter, can't divide. I'm just trying to write can't divide. Could not convert into what? String to what type? Float type. Yes. This is going to be taken as which type? Float type. Float type. Just try to see once. Print of what? Type of. C of what? C of what? 0, 1. Anyhow, I'm going to come to that infinity values, how to deal with it. One more brace, which is going to be taken as what? Float 64 it is taking. Float 64. What I will do, that float 64 I will typecast to which type? STR type I will convert. STR type. Do you know how to convert STR type? How do you convert as type? As type is there. Do you know as a type? Already said to you. Beginning days, as a type. Open your notes and then read out. I will show you when I come to this INF, it is by default taken as what? Float type. I will convert into which type? As a type, I will convert to STR. Then I can take care of it. Some D is equal to NP dot. As a type of what? C. As a type of C, it is going to be giving you as a type. What is this now? C data. C dot as type of what? str. As type of str. Now print D. Print D. It is going to contain like this. Now you go for what? D of what? 0, 1 is equal to what? Can't divide. Can't divide. Can't divide. Can't divide. Now you say print of what? D. So you are going to get the data like this. Are you able to follow? So some E is equal to D dot what? As a type of what? Object. As a type of object. Already you know object in our OOPS. Object is a super class for all the types. In the beginning of the day I said print of what? E. E. It is going to be available as a type of object. Everything is treated as what type internally? Object type. Whatever it is going to be taken as this. Are you following? So E dot D type. E dot D type. What is the type? O. O stands for what? Object type. Are you getting, students? So how to convert one matrix into another type? By using which type? As a type. str. As type of what? Object type, etc. So I hope, see, it is much beauty. 10 by 1 dividable. Other entries are divisible. This entry is not divisible. Still more about INF, NaN, I will tell you in the class. How to eliminate those values, I will tell you. This is just programmatically, I mentioned it. Venkat, Ambati, I hope you are understanding the meaning of it. Shall we move to the further? Let us go to that. Even these exceptions, even I used to tell in our classes, ATM related kind of operations also we used to tell with all our exceptions how to deal with it. Yeah. Come to point back. Here I used to say. Now I will move to the further case. Now next, these things are comes under which operations? Arithmetic operations, matrix operations we did. These are all called what? Matrix operations we did. Suppose somebody will ask you tomorrow when you go to interview. They will give two matrices. They will ask you to do what? Write a program for matrix multiplication. What you will do? Will you write your own logic or you will use your own function? Our own function. What is our function name? Dot or matmul. Dot or matmul. Suppose they are asking some element-wise multiplication. You will use what? Multiply. So all sorts of functions are discussed and it is a very important thing now. And the next, I want to go for one more small concept I want to cover. And before explaining the concept called what? Broadcasting rule is there. Broadcasting, which is very simple, but I will tell you after two more concepts, I will introduce that. Okay. Now, next I'm going to introduce one small concept now. Try to follow. Now I'm going to introduce something like this. My requirement is something like this. Watch. Now I'm talking. A is equal to, it is my array. It is my array. Array of ND array object this is. What it contains? 10, 20, 10, 30, 40, 10, 30, 40, 10, and then 50, and then 20, and then 30. This is my data. ND array object this is. ND array object this is. In how many places the element 10 is present? In how many places the element 10 is present? I want to find out the indexes of the element 10. In our Python programming, normal Python programming, which I used to tell in the class for you, S is equal to, which I used to tell in the classes for you, Mississippi, which is a very popular asking question. Find the indexes of I. S dot index of I, if you write it, string part 2 also completed. String part 2 also completed in my class. So, 9am, string part 2, string handling part 2. In that, string handling part 2 with examples. See that, capitalize, see the examples, title of, see how many examples are there. See the examples, number of example, almost two, see how many number of examples, almost 364 lines of related examples. This is called a string part 2. In that, I used to say index of I. Index is a predefined function in where? str, which will give you what? First element occurrence only. That you are already aware of it. That is one only it is going to come. But what about the other i's? Other i's indexes also I need or not? You say one more. S is there, student. Yes. Only first occurrence S only will come. That is 2. But I need what? All the occurrences of S. All the occurrences of what? I, M, like that I want to know. What function we used already? Very good. Enumerate function we used it. How we used it, students? For index comma ch means what? Char. Index comma character. In where? Enumerate. Enumerate of. Very useful function this is. Print of index comma. Index comma. I will write it. I will write within the double quotes. Arrow. And I'll write dot format of index comma what? Char. So enumerate function I explained in detail for you. It will prepare what? For other students I'm saying. Enumerate function will prepare every character index. Enumerate function will prepare like that. Enumerate function takes your input as an object yes. That yes object. What is that? Index will be taken. Enumerate function returns 2 values. And one more is called what? Character. What is the first character? M. Whose index is what? 0. You know memory management in Python. What is the next I? What is the index? 1. Next is called what? What is that now? 2. Another is 3. Like that it is going on, going to give you all the characters. Today what I am writing? For loop I am writing. For loop will take what? This first entry. 0 will go store in where? Index. M is stored in where? Char. And I am printing both of them. Next time what is going to be happening? 1 is stored in index and the next I is stored in char. So next time what is going to be stored? 2 is going to be stored. S is going to be stored like that. My dear students, please watch it. All of them are coming or not? Suppose if you want only for I indexes, if you want, you can write the code also. How do you write it? See students, you can write it. A beautiful line. There you can write it. What I'm writing? Tell me. If ch is equal to what? Char, sorry. Char is equal to what? I. What you do? You say print of what? That index. Say. See that answer? Only I related coming or not? Only that I related things are coming. Are you following? So next I'm going to say what? For this yes you want. Yes. You want yes students. See students. You are getting yes related. Whichever related you want, you are getting it. Are you following? So this you are writing programmatically, you are going to write like this. Index function. It is happening with what also? LST. 10, 20, 30, 10, 40, 50, 10, 20, like that. 30. This is my LST. LST dot what? There also I said the function name called what? Index 10. Which index will come? First index only will come. But I want what? All the indexes. So for that, what should I do? Same thing. Pass what? LST. Index and what now? Let it be value. Let it be value. So here you tell me students. There I am writing. What is it? Value. I am writing value. All the value indexes will come. 10 is available. Another 10 is available. Another 10 is available. Like this. If you are interested to take what? Index is called what, ma? Index is called what? Value called what? 10. Value called what, ma? 10. If you take the value called 10. 10 if you take it. 10 if you take it. See students, I will print that value here. Only 10 is present in this indexes. So I'm writing a big coding. I wrote almost 3 lines. If a person doesn't have the meaning of what? Enumerate. Definitely that person cannot find. So today my intention is what? To find the indexes of a particular value. To find the indexes of a particular value, my dear students, today I want to find I want to find, come on, index of element 10. Element 10. How do I find the element 10? I will take it. Come on now. Here import what, mom? NumPy as what? NP. NP. Come on. A is equal to NP dot array of what is my data? List. Already list is there or not? This data I am taking, my dear students, please watch it. A comma type of A once, you got it. ND array, you got it. Now I want to go for what? Now I want to go for what? Enumerate of what? A. Enumerate of A. See students, I am going to get it. Same data coming or not? Now I want to find out same to same students. Here I am writing A comma, what is that next condition, please? Here I wrote value is equal to, I say value. Am I getting the same or not? Enumerate of what? ND array. This is a little complex. Instead of writing such a big story, instead of writing such a big difficulty, why don't we apply the shortcut? This is what I am writing without using, this is the one I am writing. This is the one I am writing. Without the predefined facility, this is an output we are getting it. And before that, I was converted this thing. I was converted this part. So here, I just want to write it without which one? So there I will get it one list data also. This list data, where is it? This list data. So this is what I did. What I did in the command prompt. Are you following? Instead of following that a complex thing, why don't you directly write, there is one function name called what? Where. What I will write it? What I will write it? Test condition I will write it. How do you write it? NumPy dot what? Condition. NumPy dot what? Condition I will write it. I will write the NumPy dot condition I am going to write it. Shall we start now? Condition I am going to write it. Let us coming to the point back. Here I am going to use it. Same to same. If you want to use it, print off once again what? A. This is my A. You can print. This is my ND array. Following students? A dot. What is this now? Where? Sorry. A. So I'm writing here called what? NP dot array where of A is equal to what? A is equal to what? 10. What is going to come? Come on. 10. Is it 10 is equal to 10? What is that? What is the index? Is 10 is equal to 10? No. Is 10 is equal to 30? Is 10 is equal to 10? What is that index? 0, 1 no, 2 no, 3. 3. Is 10 is equal to 40? Is 10 is equal to 50? Is 10 is equal to 10? What is this now? So this is 0. Next what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? 6. 6. What is this? See such a beautiful thing. NP dot where is equal to 10. Is it a test condition or not? Yes. So it is called a simple value comparison is done. Next, come on fast. NP dot array of what next? 20. What is the answer? 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Available or not? Next, I will write it what? 30. 30. 30 is available in 2 places. 40. 40 is available in 1 place. 50. 50 is available in 1 place. 60. 60 is nowhere. What is that now? Empty array. Empty array. Are you able to follow? Simple thing. S is equal to, what is this now? Mississippi. Mississippi. When this question is coming, even in Python level also will come. Even in NP level, ND array object type also it will come. A is equal to NP dot, come on students, array of yes. Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? So doubt is there for you. Print A comma what? Type of A. What is the dimension? A dot what? Endim. What is the dimension? Good, good, good. 0. Remembering. Nice. Come on. NP dot where A is equal to what? I. Be careful. Don't answer quickly. Answer. Come on. Here it is. It is a single value. It is a single value. You cannot go for applying this I into that. I already said in the last class. Shape is what? Shape is empty. Shape is what? Empty. I already said, students, you forget, almost you forget. Empty. A dot what? Size. One element only available. That I is compared with one element. Mississippi is equal to I, yeah? No. So what I do is, if you clearly follow me, what I am doing, keep it like that. Keep it like that. What is it? List type. It is as good as writing print A. Is it not Mississippi available or not? Instead of that, better to go for what? List of what? List of what? Yes. So you print that A. This is what you are expecting. What is this U of 1? Each letter is going to be called what? 1. U means what? Unicode str data. Already said. When I said ROSUM, ROSUM is containing 6. U6 we got it. And here one letter is there. Come on now, students. A dot what? Where? Now I am writing indexes. Index is equal to. I am preserving is what? A is equal to what now? I M. Yeah. Yes, students. NP dot. NP dot. What is this now? A is equal to like this. Print what? Index you printed. Is it not going to get like this? So, students, now carefully follow now. I am going to get it. Directly I am writing A is equal to NP dot array of NP dot array of list of what I am writing? Mississippi. Mississippi. Here I am writing. Close this bracket. A you write it. Now you write it what? Index is equal to NP dot. What is the function name? Where? Come on. A double equal to what? I. Is it not indexes? Index you print it. What are the indexes? 1, 4, 7, 10. Next please. Next please. I will write what now? Yes, sir. Print of what? Indexes. Is it not coming? Next is called what? P. I will write it. P. I will print the indexes here. Is it not that values are coming? So similarly, when I take these lines, even if I come to this area of this Jupyter notebook, even if I come to this description we are using, this will give you what? 1 minute. This will give you the indexes of a particular element or not. It is nothing but almost searching for the indexes. So I'm going to, this concept is, I'm trying to tell you concept called what? Examples on searching for element and find what? Come on. And find what? Index. And find index. Indices. I can write it. This is a topic. There I will take up A is equal to NP dot array of like that. Print of what? A. Print of A. So indentation. A is equal to. A is equal to. Here I will write import NumPy as what? NP. NP. So try to print this data. This is my data. Now find. Come on. Indices of letter. Letter I. Letter I. How to find, students? Index IND is equal to NP dot where. NP dot what? Where. Now A is equal to I. Print of what? IND. Print of IND. Yeah. So either change any one of it. So are you getting or not? Similarly, I want to get it. Print what? Yes. You print yes. You print yes. So these yes related things are coming. Print the value called what? P. Print the letter called P. Print the letter called P. So P related things are going to come. You enter something K. Do you have K there? No, there is no K. So here I am writing K. What it will be coming? Empty. Empty is going to come. Are you able to follow? So it's very important. So now I'm last and final, I'm writing IND is equal to NP dot where I'm writing NP dot array of list of I'm writing here. Now I'm writing like this. Is also very, very important. Words will come. Mississippi, abracadabra. These are all regularly asking written test questions. These are words, right? NP dot where NP dot array of list of this. Now see the bracket closing and then one more closing of this one is equal to, I am writing A. I am writing A. Say print of what? IND. So this A you see, ma. I am directly taking what, students? Direct. This is called what? String data first. Converted into what? List. Converted into what? ND array. That I am applying what? Where? What is the letter I am searching for? A. So A is available in how many places I am printing? A is present in this place. A is present in this place. A is present in this place. A is present in these places. Totally how many indices? 5. These are all the things you need to take care. Are you following, guys? So simple. Here, such type of codes are coming. Don't get any confusion immediately. Here I am writing R, you say R. R related things. Where is that R related things are coming? Like this, I am going to write something like B. I am writing something like B. This is the data we are going to get it. Are you able to follow? So this is comes under what is the importance here? Where. Where function will give you what? Searching for the indices of a particular value. Last, one more thing. This is on string related, very frequently asked. Let me take one more. NP dot array of 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, comma, 20, 10, 40. Now I am going to take it 10, 50, 60, 10, 50, 60. Now take care. Print of what? A. Type of A. It is called what? Matrix. It is a matrix. 2D. Earlier one is what? 1D. Now this is 2D. There also you can search. How do you do that? IND is equal to NP dot where of A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Print of what? IND. Print of IND. What is this IND? See, students, carefully. 10. What is this 10? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0. This is called in one first row. And next is what? Right. And what is next? 0, 1, 2. What is this now? 0. Next what? 1. Next 0. And what is this now? 0. Next what? 1. Next what? 2. Important. In 1D, only one index. In 2D, row plus columns. See how important it is. So it is going to give you. It is nothing but what? Retrieving the random element if you want. It is most useful. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2 of what? 0, 1, 0. Yesterday's class. Random elements retrieval. A of what is this now? 0, 1, 2. And what is this? 0, 1, 0. Is it not going to give you the element 10 or not? Are you following, students? This is on where? This is on where? 2 dimension. 2 dimension where operation. Next is called what here? 20. 20. 20 I am going to take it. What is coming? 20 related. 20 is available how many times? 2 times only. One is at 0th row, first row. One is first column, 0th column. Able to follow? So next, last and final. I'll go for taking here what? 50. 50 or 60? 60 you take it. Anyone? 50 or 60? 60, which is present in where? One place. 2, second row and what? Second column. Second row, second column. That is 60. Able to get it? Yes. Last and final. NP dot a range of 27 dot what? Reshape of or instead of that. 1 minute, student. It will not give you duplicate elements I want. A is equal to no problem. NP dot array better is going for what? Array of I am taking say something like 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 60, 70. How many? 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 14. Next is called what? Something like 10, 15, and next 50. How many total? 16. Print of what? A. Total how many? LEN of what? A. LEN of A. 16. Because I don't want to believe you because you said 4 to the power of 4 is called 16 you said. Why unnecessarily headache? Because girls will think that are also like boys only. Now come to the point. Now I will go for reshape. Come on. A dot shape is equal to, come on, 2 comma 4 comma 2. Is it clear? 2 comma 4 comma 2. It is product is equal to 16. 16. Now you say print of what? A. Print of A. This is my data. This is my data. Shall we? Index is equal to A NP dot I'll write search for what element? Search for element 10. Element 10. All 10s are there in one place only and some more 10 is also there in the below. NP dot what? Where of A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Int of what? Print of A. Print of, sorry, IND. So what is coming? Carefully taken care. Take care. What is this now? Come on. What is this 10? 10, 10, 10. Be careful. Be careful. Which dimension first of all? 3-dimensional. 0, 0. Sorry, 1. Yeah, correct. What is this now? 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is this now? 0, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is this now? 0, 1. Now, 0, 0, 1, 1. What is the meaning of 0, 0, 1, 1? So, 10 is available. 3 10s are available this place. Right or not? That is called what? Matrix. So, 3 times. Correct or not? And one more 10 is available. 2 times 10 is available. This place and this place. This is called what? 2. So, are you getting this? Next, what is this now? 0. In one 0 row, one 10 is there. In another 2 place, one more 10 is there. In this place, one more 10 is there. Right or not? That is the 2. Next is called what? In second place, 1 0. This is the 0th row. One more 0. This is a 3. Are you following this 0, 3? Column also. Column also. What is this now? 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Correct? Now 1 and the next what? 0. Also done. This is called what? Complete meaning is giving. Understand, students? Now I will write it. Search for the indices of what? Indices of element 10. Very, very important. Here I am going to write it. Search for the indices of element 20. 20. And you are already aware of that. 20. If anything 20 is there, those elements indices also will come. Able to get up? Now, dear students, one more point I am saying. Last and final. Print of A you are saying. Online students, I hope you are comfortable. Now I am going to say Find the even element indices. Find the even element indices. Find the even element indices. Find the even element, even elements indices. Even element indices. Even element indices. Are you following me? Tell me now. 10 is even, 20, 30, 40, 10, 10, 30. Okay. Next, all of them are right. Now, what I want to find the even. Okay, this is giving all the element indices will come. There is nothing fun in that. I want to find out multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 I will take. Find the indices of multiples of 3. 3. It's better now? Tell me now. Indices is equal to NP dot where of a percentage 3 is equal to 0. 3 is equal to 0. Print what? Print of what? IND. IND. What is coming there? 30. 30, come on. 30. Another 30. 60. That's all. Okay now? Yes. See students. 0, 0, 1, 1. That is nothing but what? 30. 30, 30. 2 30s means 2 0 places, right or not? 2 0 places. These 2 times. What is this row? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. What is this now? Below to that you need to, output also you need to see. 2 times 0 will be coming or not? 2 times. This 2 times. This is called first row. This is called what next? 2 and then what? 3, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. Next 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. What is this now? 0, 0, 2 times. What is the next? 1, 1. What is this now? Here 30 and 60. Is it 1, 1 or not? Here 2 and here 2. Totally 4 coming or not? Next year, 1, 3. What is that 1, 3? First element row, second element row also. What is that? 1, 3. Next 30, 1. And next 60, 2, 2. And other things, 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0th column or not? 0th column and then 1 column. 0th column and then 1 column. Next what? First column and then what? 0th column also giving. This is related to this. Are you getting? So like that, you can go for taking these elements, not find the indices of which are not multiple of 3, not equal to 3, not equal to 3. I am getting other kind of elements. History is coming. Are you following? Getting up? Yes. Like this, you can go for taking this type of values. Okay, students. So like this, students, one can go for applying the where this is a very useful concept for you. So for you, I'm showing one small documentation to you. Let us watch. And here, so searching, I will show you this small documentation. I just prepared it. Try to read. What is the heading? NumPy searching. This is searching array. Sorting arrays also I will tell you how to sort the data. Row wise sorting, column wise sorting, total matrix sorting, total operations. Come on. You can search an array for a certain value and return the indexes that get a match. To search an array, use where method or where function. In object-oriented programming, we call it as a method. In functional programming, we call it as a function. Both of them are meant for performing the operation. So example, I just said 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4 like that. NP dot where ARR4, it is printing the indexes like this. Are you following? Next, percentage 2 is equal to 0 means what? Multiples of 2. Are you following? Find the indices of values are odd. Not equal to 2 is equal to what? 1. you will get it. And I give more examples here. This is only 1D I covered. In my example, I covered multiple things or not. 1D where to find, 2D where to find, ND where to find, all those things. Able to get it? Yes. Any difficulty? No. So now I want to move to the further. Now I want to move to the further. This is about where. And one more thing I forget to tell you. Arithmetic operations I need to show you, students. Of course, already I explained, but a notes part I want to show you. Just a note. What I'm going to send to you. What I want to tell to you. So there I want to take up here. There is one documentation. Here and there the documentation is available. So where is it? Matrix operations. So here I will go for once, just for a minute. Here I will show you. So NumPy here. So arithmetic operations. Where is it? Yeah, here arithmetic operations. Go to this place. Here I explained point to point for you. All these things, all the above arithmetic functions can be performed with what also? So one small thing you see, add. Variable name is equal to numpy dot add of nd array object 1 and nd array object 2. This function, what is the use of that function also I gave. I gave you a small example also. I gave you one more example with I said a plus b. We used a plus operator instead of what? Add. This is related to add. Same thing continued with what also? Subtract also. Same standard of format of nodes also. A minus b also. Getting or not? Similarly, what is the next? Multiply. Element-wise multiplication. Same syntax. Done. Same syntax. I meant separately plus operator. Dot or what? Matmul, which will perform actual matrix multiplication. Both the syntaxes. Performing actual matrix multiplication. Actual multiplication. Dot, matmul, both of them answer will be same. Divide, same thing. Slash, floor divide, same thing. Same thing here also. Mod also, same syntax. Exponentiation, power of also given the answers. Are you able to follow? This is related to what? Arithmetic operations. Online students, is it clear up to here? Now I would like to enter. This is one important concept. Where concept. Now I want to go for how to iterate the ND array object elements. I'll write the heading. So here NumPy iterate the elements. Iterate. NumPy iteration. What do you mean by iteration? Getting the elements of what? ND array. What do you mean by iteration? First of all, you tell me. Just to revise my Python. Looping statements or repetitive statements or iterative statements. Looping statements, iterative statements. Go to the Python. See, students, you try to remember flow control statements. Flow control. Every Python topic explained with the data science intention only. Introduction to flow control statements. Chadukonda sari. Looping, iterative or what? Repetitive statements. What is the use of iterative statements? Iterative statements are used for performing some operation repeatedly until condition becomes false. In NumPy, how iteration is available? Understand? Everything linked with that. NumPy developed with what? C language and Python only. Once you know Python well, you will do wonders. And I taught you the Python in such a way that where you can do everything. So go to the place. Even in our place, even when you come to loops, under the loops, when you come to the loops, why I am showing this basic part? Once you know this part, how easy this is. Looping or iterative statements. I wrote the purpose also. In looping, what are the points to take place? While loop, while else loop. For loop, for else loop, flowchart also, examples also. In looping, how many examples I taught? See, how many examples? So many number of examples. When you do these many examples, no faculty will explain these many examples on certain area, except in my class. That thing today, we are just entering into this place. We are just enjoying the ready-made functions. We wrote the code for functions, but today we are just taking care. We wrote what? Enumerate, if character is equal to that value. Now simply we are applying what? Where? So when you work very hard coding, when you come to easy, are we feeling difficult or easy? Dead easy. Come to NumPy iteration. Sir, 1D iteration, 2D iteration, 2D iteration, and next, sir, ND iteration. How do you do? By using what? By using Python loops. Python loops, how do you do? How do you iterate? How do you iterate ND array object? By using which loops? Python loops. Same thing. How do you iterate? How do you iterate? Iteration means what? How do you retrieve the elements of ND array? How do you iterate the elements of what? ND array. ND array by using what? Come on. Python loops. Same thing. How do you iterate? How do you iterate the elements of ND array? By using NumPy library, NumPy module, NumPy module. There are two functions are there. One is what? One is what? Iter. Come on. Iter. Spell out. Or there is one more thing. ND iter. Spell out. In regular expressions, there is a function. What is that? Find ITER. Find ITER. That you remember? And remember our iterations. Club together. Beautiful output will come. That is only called ND iter. One more is called what? You learned just now. Enumerate function. Yes or no? You are entering into where? ND. What is the function name? ND enumerate. ND enumerate. They are all linked with what? Python with NumPy. Spell out. ND iter. What is the next? Easy or difficult? Just remember Python. NumPy is dead easy. ND iter. ND enumerate. Sir, I will go to normal Python loops. I will go for ND array, this thing. People will ask a question. How do you iterate the elements of ND array by using NumPy? How many functions? Two functions. One is ND iter. Number two, ND enumerate. Already you know what is enumerate. What is this enumerate is doing? I want to show you. Okay, na? Loops better. These things better. NumPy module functions are better. Now I'm going to introduce this kind of concept. NumPy iteration. Now I'm going to talk about it. Let us move to the ND iteration. NumPy iteration I'm going to explain. Let us go to this place. New. Save this. Go to the notebook. Now I'm going to take up. So, where function? Examples on NumPy iteration. NumPy iteration. Start with import NumPy as NP. NumPy as NP. Take one array. A is equal to NP dot array of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Come on. Print of A comma type of A. Done. Now I want to print the elements one by one. What dimension? One dimension. What is the shape? 6 comma. Size 6. Dimension 1. You know already now? One dimension means one for loop. One dimension means one for loop or one while loop. Can I get the display the elements of what? ND array by using which loop? For loop. Come on, already you are aware of it. Come on, quickly. For I in A, print of what? A. Sorry, well. For well. Are you getting or not? This is by using which loop? Why only one for loop? Because only one dimension. One dimension. Same thing, my dear students. Using what loop? While loop. When you are dealing with a while loop, what is compulsory? Initialization. 0. Condition. Updation. My dear students. Already you are familiar with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are you starting from? I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. A. What is this small? While of I less than len of A. Len of A. What is the len of A? 6. And 0 less than 6. True. Print of A of I. Don't write I. If I write I, only indexes will come. Index based elements I want. A of I. Is the elements are coming or not? And write I is equal to what? I plus 1. Initialization, condition, updation. On what I am applying? ND array. Understand? Come on, ma. Come on, students. I is equal to 0. While of I less than len of A, print of A of I is equal to I plus 1. Getting or not? If we want to print the same elements in the same line, you already know, students. End is equal to backslash t, or end is equal to some space. End is equal to some space. End is equal to some arrow. Already we discussed in print 6 syntaxes. I said one girl is sleeping. Last but one, first row. Last but one, first row. Intersection of index I'll apply. Directly that student wake up. Directly I will locate. NumPy is very powerful. Classroom dot where. Classroom comma is equal to sleep. Immediately who is sleeping also will come out. And that student asked me one day in the beginning of the day, sir, I want to become perfect in Python, sir. I will remember which student asked which doubt also. Beginning asked, demo level asked, sir, I want to become perfect in Python. Will I get the job? 100% you will get the job. When you sleep, no job will come. Correct, ma? Yes. That girl also smiling. Yes, sir. How sir will remember everything. These many girls, how sir will remember? Everybody remember. Students, shall I move? Oh, yes, sir. My favorite student become active when I talk other than subject. Subject talking is hiding behind the students. Right, students? Enjoy the subject. Come on, see the answer now. Is it coming in the same line or not? Yes. Saurav, yes. Tell us the power of remembering, sir. Saurav, are you forgetting? Saurav, if you tell that, are you forgetting? If you tell, I will tell you how to remember the power of remembering. Saurav, tell me how to remember everything, sir. Akshay also asking. Akshay Raut. Suresh saying, yeah. So, Nagalakshmi saying practice. Okay. So, by reading daily. VSP Kumari saying reading daily. Girls are, see how girls are suggesting. Right. Saurav, no, sir, just wanted to be better version of myself. Good. That's nice. Generally, the universal problem with students is forgetting. Yourself, myself, anybody forgetting. Can I ask one question? You may ask a question, sir, how can you remember? Now I'm asking, how can you forget? If you answer my doubt, I will answer your doubt. How can you forget? How can you forget? How you forget, like that I remember. So already girl said, girl said. So here Prasad also saying practice is more powerful than reading. Correct. Girls also said, girls also said. So Shanu is saying I am forgetting. Shanu, Mr. Shanu is also our favorite student. So, oh, Nagalakshmi saying lack of practice. Huh? Practice makes man perfect. Man perfect, no. Human perfect. What about women's? 1947 Proverbs you will remember. Hmm? Due to Mohit saying, due to lack of touch with Python. Yes. Yeah. Okay, students, come to the point. You try to have an intention in the mind. Generally, all students are forgetting. If I am also forgetting, I am a part of everybody. Why should I forget? Read until I get perfection. Oh, like that. So, huh? Sumaja, right. Okay, ma. Okay, they are perfect down. Okay. So I'm not reading it out that. Otherwise, boys will feel. Okay, ma. Now you are taking me out of the class. Don't take me. Let me come. Because as a senior most faculty, I don't want to do fun in the class. Subject. Okay now? Okay. So Tirumale's got a shocking. Whose mobile is that? Your mobile. Yeah. He immediately got shocked. You forget like anything. Okay. Come to the point, students. Okay. Now here we got it. Okay. Now, my dear students, display the elements of ND array by using while loop you have done. This is by using what? 1D array. Go to 2D. 2D, come on. A is equal to np dot a range of 0 comma, sorry, I will take what? 16. 16 dot what? Reshape of 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4. Print of what? A. A. Next print of what? Content of A. Content of A. Okay. Content of A. Backslash n. Backslash n. It will print the next line. Content of A. Next I will print a dimension. Dimension matters a lot here. Comma what? A dot what? Dim. Dim. N dim. Yeah. N dim. Print of what? Shape. Shape is equal to what? A dot what? Shape. Okay. Enough. See students. Content of A. 4 by 4. And the dimension is 2. 4 comma 4. What is the dimension? 2. How many loops? One loop deals with rows. Good. One more loop deals with more than enough. So first, for one row, how many columns? So loop in a loop, I will write it. Loop in a loop, already we learned now. Inner loops. How many inner loops I said? So 9 a.m. 9 a.m. loops. Under that, nested loops are inner loops. How many loops? 4. 4. Of course, multiple you can write it. Approaches. See, for loop in for loop syntax, while loop in while loop syntax, for loop in while loop syntax, while loop in for loop. See, beautiful. Python, if you know, see, how many examples on inner loop? Student, inner loop, inner loop, inner loop. See how many examples? 9 inner loops. Beautiful examples, I thought. Compared to that, today NumPy is left hand, left finger. Come on now. Come on here. Repeat. For I in range of, for I in range of, for I in range of, or for I in where? For I in where? Come on. A. For I in what? A. A. Just print it, ma. Just print it. Don't worry. Just print it. Print of what? I. What will come? That is an important. What will come? So, colon. Somebody said, what will come at a error? Good student. Nice student. What is coming? First row, second row, third row, fourth row. First row, second row, third row. In that row, I want what? Element. In that row, I want element. So, I will go to that what? For row in A. What will come? One row will come or not? This row. In that row, I want one element. Column element will come. How do you get it? For column element. Column element in where? Row. Print of what? Column element. Column element. Column element. So, no problem. So, whatever is there, column element, I will write it. ELEMENT. So, this I will write it here. This I will write it here. Is it printing all the elements or not? So, 1 minute. I'll copy this. I'll try to write it. So, there I will write it. Here I will write it. Print off. Print off. It will be, of course, no need to take up. You just press enter key. You press enter key. Is all elements are coming or not? Why two for loops I used? One for loop deals with rows. Another for loop deals with the element in each row. This is called what? Using loops. 2D array using what? Loops. This is 1D array using loops. So this is the 1D array. This is called ND array. This is what array? 1D. This is called what array? 2D. I am using, this is on the top of it, I will write 2D. 2D means what? Two for loops. Getting, students? Similarly, now I will go to the same thing. I'll go to the same thing now. Go to the place. Next, I'm going to introduce this element. Come on, mom. Shape of, what is this now? 16 means what I will take? 2, comma, 4, comma, 2. Okay. See, students, it is going to contain how many matrices? 2 matrices. Each one contains what? Right. Now I'm going to say what? Matrix. Matrix. In where? A. What it will print? For what is coming? Matrix. Only matrix will come. Matrix will come. That is nothing but what? This is one entry. This is another entry. If I write it, matrix by matrix will come. Correct or not? In that matrix, what I want? Rows. In that rows, what I want? How many loops? Because 3 dimension. How many loops? 4 dimensions with clusters. 4 loops. First one, cluster. Next, matrices. Next, beautiful. That's all. Come on now. Tell me. For row in where? Super. Come on, next. For column element. COL element. In row. Come on, beautiful. Print of column element. Column element. Super. Is all elements are coming or not? 1D, 1 for loop. 2D, 2 for loop. 3D, first for loop, matrix. Second for loop, row in the matrix. Row in the matrix. Tell me. Third for loop, column in the matrix. Column in the row. Yes. Got it? Easy or difficult? Easy. So how many ways are there to iterate the elements of ND array? 2 ways. One is by using Python loops. Come on. Second one by using functions of NumPy. Functions of NumPy. So 10:45. Today or tomorrow? Monday. Monday. So this example, I will carry on Monday. Remember, examples on NumPy iteration on Monday. Tomorrow no class. Tomorrow you enjoy. Sunday. Sunday also don't read Python. Take rest. Leo sir. Stand up. Stand up. No, you are good. Button పెట్టుకో. Different student. అందుకనే కొద్దిగా. Tell me, what is a dictionary? Dictionary is a keyword. Dictionary is a now key value pair. Keys are immutable or mutable? Mutable. Mutable or immutable? Shock. Keys cannot be changed. What is mutable? Silence. What is mutable? Change it. Wrong, right or wrong? Wrong. Change it which address? Yes. చూసావా అందుకనే పరిగెత్తకు కూర్చో రైట్ సో ఓకేనా like your class if you run away problem like that I will ask questions everything went off so now I'll stop my class Monday I'll go for nd eater and nd enumerate I'll explain don't miss the classes thank you students all the best students in the online Saurav Saurav, tell me, speak out, ma. Veeresh, tell me. Veeresh, tell me. Mohan Priya, today I will share it, ma. View and copy. Today I will share it. Today I will share it. Saurav, I am not getting your voice, my dear student. Please check it your side once. So, very easy. Look at this is the one 27. That means 0 to 26 is called 27 elements. Three things. Three matrices. This is matrix 1. This is matrix 1. Another matrix. Another matrix. Total is one matrix. This is internal process, I said. Internal process. This represents matrix IDs 0, 1, 2. This is called matrix numbers. These are rows, row indexes. These are column indexes. Saurav, I hope you got it. Saurav. Saurav. So, my dear student, so I hope you are unable to catch me. I hope you are hearing my voice. So I said these are called matrix IDs. These are called matrix rows. These are column IDs. This is called row IDs. Yeah. Saurav, I hope you got it. How this is going to work, you are asking. 0, 0, 0. A of, it is working as 0, 0, 0. Next is called what? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Next is called what here? 2, 0, 2. 2, 0, 2. Next is called what? 2, 0, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1. Like this it will work. Prince Agarwal.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma.
Good
Tell me,
morning.
ma. Good morning, ma.
Yeah, actually, sir, my question is ki, all these examples which you are running on this uh, in the .pynb file, so we will get it as an so that we can practice at home also.
You practice on this place, nama. I'm saying na in Jupyter Notebook you practice it.
Yeah, we are doing that practice, but there are so many examples we are doing that sometimes we need to rerun those examples. So would it be possibility that we can get all those things which you are running here
Yes,
in the
ma.
class?
You have to practice it. Whatever the examples I'm saying, you practice it. Because even if you see in the internet also, you will not
Mm-hmm.
find these many examples. You have to practice it. First, you write the notes as it is. Then you
Okay,
practice it. Then you practice it. That is a good way of practicing.
okay. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you. Yeah.
Right, right. Okay, students. Take care. Don't miss the class on Monday. Very, very important. Take care. All the best. View and copy. Today I will upload, students. Today. Today I will upload. Today I will upload ma Hindu. Today I will upload. No doubt in that. I'll upload. Okay, students.